Okay, we are starting a softener whole house filter and reverse osmosis drinking water system install. There's our main line coming in. We haven't installed anything yet. So we'll start mapping things out and let's see what it looks like. Okay, I'm still kind of mapping out where I want everything, but check out this. This is your brine tank. And here's one great thing about these tanks is this proprietary shelf, the salt shelf. And the way it steps down, it really helps prevent salt bridge. So it's a little less service, will last longer, easier on the maintenance side. Okay, so what we have here is the main line coming in, comes in, this goes to the house. So this is where we'll do our soft water. This comes over and these go to the outside hydrants. So this will be unsoft and unfiltered water. So I'll cut into here and we'll add in our manual bypass and we'll see how that goes. The ProPack? They make it still? Okay, so the water lines in this new home are what's called Type A expansion PEX. It's a great product, but has a 30-year warranty if you go do the class. If you don't do the class, it only has a 20-year warranty. So we transition. This is where I'm going to start my transition from going to the Type A PEX back to copper, which is a much higher quality product with the 50-year warranty. So the goal is to make sure we're putting in the best equipment and the best products. So you'll see the transition here shortly. So here is the support I put on for the bracket that will hold the whole house filter. It is plumb, square, it's rock solid. So then our bracket will go on here, and that's what will support the whole house filter. Okay. Water turned on. Here's our water softener and whole house filter install. Okay, so here's the whole house filter. This is your water softener. This is the control valve. This is the resin tank. This is the brine tank. So the brine tank is where the salt is going to go. We fill it up full of salt for you and give you an extra bag with your whole house filter. Your key for it is nice and neat right next to it. We also give you an extra gasket in case you need it for here. All of your warranty information is always secured to something close by. Now let's talk about the water lines. So here is the built-in bypass that we always build. And so if anything on this softener or whole house filter need worked on, here's how we kill the water to it. Shut those off, killed the water to all of that. Now, by turning this, I now just opened up the water back to the house. So it's an easy way to bypass your softener and whole house filter. And it's a part of the phenomenal quality of our installs. Everything is rock solid. Clean, neat, level, plumb. It's the only way to do it. So, let's turn the water back onto the softener and whole house filter. That's the bypass valve. This is the incoming water that goes through, over and out, up, over, and back on. And that's all it takes. So that is a Sterling brand water softener install. And this is what to expect from us, Hart Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, when we install it. Nothing but quality. You guys have a wonderful day.